Okay, so today we're going to have a game of Crazy Golf. It's 18 hole, and I do believe it's €8 each to play. So yeah, this golf course is on the back of the water park. It will cost you €8 per person, and it is cash only. This place does have a bar, so you can buy a beer or a soft drink, and clean toilet facilities, and the owner is really nice. The lady that runs it, she's really nice and friendly. So yeah, a bit rough around the edges. As you can see, the course probably could do with a bit of updating. But for €8 per person, we didn't think it was too bad. But end of the day, you know, each person's different and you might have a different opinion. So thank you very much for watching. A big shout out to the members of the channel. If you wish to become a member, all you got to do is click the members tab and look at the options. Thank you very much once again, and please remember to check out the playlist from Future Ventura. Thank you and goodbye.